What's up everybody? Welcome back to Sideways Garage. I'm Jake.
I'm Garrett.
And today we'll be installing an e-brake in the Drift Mustang.
Alright, so we're going to take these brakes off. Alright, now that we got the brakes off, let's talk about how the dual caliper bracket works. So this right here is the OEM brake caliper bracket, and this right here is our handy dandy new one. So on the OEM one, these are your mounting holes for the bracket, and on the new and handy dandy fancy smanchy new one, you have extra ones for 2 brackets. So it's going to allow us to put 2 brackets on this Mustang. And now we're going to get started on taking the interior apart so we can start making the bracket.
All right, so here's our CAD model, our cardboard aided design. Basically just showing where the holes go and then how long this piece needs to be. So we're going to take that, transfer it onto this steel plate, cut those holes out, and then we'll test fit it. This piece is what's going to mount the hydro e-brake mount onto the bracket that we're about to make. So that just bolts on there, and then this gets welded onto the bracket. So let's go ahead and make that bracket. Okay, so this is the plate that actually bolts into the car. This is what's going on it, like that. And then these bolts here, these are what are going to hold it into the car. So you got a small one, big one. Big one's gonna go right here. Small one is gonna go over there. So get those holes drilled, and then we'll make sure it fits in the car. Get this where we want it, tack it in place, and then we'll weld all around it, and then we'll be gaming. Need to go just a touch bigger on that one. Perfect. That bolt fits in there. Now for the other bolts. Okay, and that bolt fits in there perfect. So now we're gonna go test fit it in the Mustang, make sure these holes line up, and then we will start welding. Okay, so I've got the plate here. Just cut the holes out per the CAD model. So look here. Darn. Okay, so we need to cut just a little bit off of this edge here, and then it should fit. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we will come back. All right, so I made a slight modification to the bracket to get it to fit. Got those bolts fitted in, and then I attached the e-brake to this bar. So now we're gonna figure out where it needs to go in here, and then we'll tack it in place, and then we'll take it back out and weld it completely. So we've got the hydro e-brake mounted here. You can see these absolute dimes here. Sheesh, look at that. So yeah, this thing's pretty sturdy. Now we just have to run the lines to the back, which is actually kind of done. You can see it there. But now we just have to connect it up to here, bleed the brakes, and these guys are working on making the center console fit. So once we get that done, we'll show you guys it. Maybe go for a little test drive, test it out. So we got the dual caliper set up here. You can see it is quite literally 2 calipers. This line back here runs to the hydro e-brake, which is inside. I'll show you that in a second. And then these ones here, they act as the normal brakes. So you still have the normal braking with the pedal, and then this one just adds brake for the handbrake.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
We still have a few things to button up, like we need to bleed the brakes a little better. It's really hard to lock up the brakes when you pull the e-brake, but you know, we got a drift event tomorrow, or sorry, 2 days from now. So you'll see that video soon. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. See you next time.